Hello everybody, welcome to Tom's Tips, and this is another Mythbuster type tip in our series of Give Us a Good Tip series, where people come onto the forum and say, listen, I've got a good tip, here's this tip and here's that tip, some are good, some are bad, some are shite. So this one today we don't know, we're going to try and test it, but first of all we're waiting for just a minute, it might be, you know, postman's here, just a minute. Good morning, postman. How are you doing? Oh, not so hard, thanks. This for me. All right, lovely. Sound out. Okay, lovely. Thank you. So, as I was saying, this tip it's come from China. Well, the tip's not come from China. The tip's come from one of our trusted members up in Glasgow, who's told us about these diamond tip drills. This have come all the way from China, and is £1.69p. And for one that we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got 10 diamond tipped cutters. This is the first one out of the box. Now it's alright, you know, they look nice, they look good, they look shiny, all brand new, they all come from China. Do they work though? We'll go to find out. Okay, so here's the bag of diamond cutters. I've put one in my drill, and this is glass. So if they'll cut glass, they'll cut tiles. So, let's have a see. Well, I think that's very impressive, don't you? It's cut through glass. Now, the secret is with any tile cutter, any glass cutter, you must keep it cool. So never rush it. I'm impressed with that. I'm going to put the link up on my forum. That tip's not even, well, it is warmish, but as you can see, it's this is a pretty thick bottle too, by the way. It's as you can see, we're down to that thickness now, and it's not a glowing red. You know, for £1.69 for 10, so what does that work out at? 16 pence each. What would you pay for these at Screwfix? 16 quid. So there you are, ladies and gentlemen, there's another Mythbuster type tip brought to you from Tom's Tips, and those were bought from China. They cost £1.69 for 10 cutters, which was brought into you by Sir Richard Dick Puller of Glasgow. So thank you, Sir Dick. I'm going to put the link on my forum. If anybody wants to see it, they can come, and we'll make China rich. Thanks for watching. See you again for the next Mythbuster. Mythbuster. Whatever.